YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with some quick fix videos for you guys on Pentair's Racer Pressure Side Pool Cleaner. This will work for both the Racer regular model as well as the Racer LS. Stay tuned as we dive right in. Alright guys, and we're back. So again, today we have a quick fix video for you guys on Pentair's Racer Pressure Side Pool Cleaner. For today, we are actually going to remove the water management kit located around the main vacuum tube here for you guys. As you guys can see, this is pretty stripped down to the basics on the cleaner. So if you guys want to know how we got this far, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We got a playlist that'll walk you guys through how to tear it apart from the outside in. For today's video, we've already gotten down to this point. So it's actually a really simple fix once you get everything off. So like I said, the main thing that you're going for here is the water management kit. This is a big portion of the functionality of the cleaner in terms of how to distribute the water to all the different working parts, the different thrust jets, giving water down to the venturis that'll actually help push the debris up through the vacuum tube. So if you guys are noticing that you got any kind of cracks or pieces in this lighter gray piece of material, it is important that you fix and replace this. It does have an O-ring over towards the rear of the cleaner that the main feed mast will sit on. That's where your main pressure comes into. So if for whatever reason something's happened and it gets in here and it breaks this, it is important that you guys fix this. The cleaner will not work properly without that. So after you've stripped it down and you are where we are right now, it's actually kind of really easy. You're just going to go ahead and lift up on everything. You're going to get both the timer valve removed as well as the water management kit. So as you guys can see, it's a tight fit around the vacuum tube. So you guys kind of got to work it. The bag clip section has to get pushed in, and then you can kind of push the sides in to be able to slide the main water management off. So once you got everything disassembled here, now you have your water management system, your timer valve, as well as your front grill with a little bit of a front jet here. So this kind of helps back it up if it gets stuck in any section. So we'll actually show you guys how to remove this as well from the timer valve in a separate video. But for today, we just wanted to show you guys how to get this water management kit off after you guys have torn the cleaner down to where you are. So it is just pressure fit into the timer valve. A lot of this stuff is just dealt with O-rings and lube to make sure that you kind of get the best water seal that you can without having to use a ton of screws or different hose clamps. So again, here's the actual part. So you have your rear part here, which is actually pushing some of the pressure back for a thrust jet in the back. You've got these other two ports right here that are actually going to help push pressure down to the venturis on the main vacuum tube. And then you have another part here that's actually running to the gearbox that's actually located at the very bottom of the manifold here, which again, we'll get to that in another video. And then you've got your front piece here that's actually pushing pressure through into your main timer valve. So really, really important that this thing is intact and doesn't have any cracks or leaks. Otherwise, none of those other things are going to work properly for you. So once you've stripped it down and you've lifted them both up and you get this out, you're simply just going to put it back the same way that you took it off. Everything kind of goes in, like I said, everything kind of pressure fits. So when you're going to put your new one back on, you got to kind of wiggle it over this main vacuum tube. The good thing about Pentair and this manifold, the frame that they made, is everything has its place. So if you put it on the other way, everything's not going to sit down properly. Everything is kind of molded to fit correctly. So make sure you guys hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe. So check out our other videos where we're going to go over the timer valve as well as this front jet and get into the gearbox and your main turbine. So I really appreciate you guys watching. I'm Kyle with ePoolSupply. We'll see you next time.